All getting set up for a drone shot photograph. Aye, but it's best for the camera though, isn't it?
Peter Scott will tell you what he wants, what he really wants.
So I've got the sat nav. We've just all finished at Huntly. This is our first stop, so this is us leaving for Huntly to go to Glenshee, where's our next planned stop, where we have a spot of lunch. And I'm just using the normal nav of the Indian, and I put in Glenshee and it's come up with Glenshee, but I kind of know the way, so it's telling me to turn and everything like that, but I suspect I'll not be doing that personally, because I roughly know the way. It's just a safety net, just in case I make a boo-boo, and then I can still get there. That's the idea. So let's hope that doesn't happen. And I am the tail end Charlie, and I don't care. I'm normally with some of the faster riders each year. I don't stay with them, but I'm in touch with them almost, you could say. They're just taking their helmets off when I pull in, which I can see them most of the time. I can keep them in visual distance, I just can't stay with them. But that's not the case now. I must admit, I've got all my vents open and it's not that warm. I might pull over and close these vents actually. I'm looking up there and it's not going to get much warmer, I don't think. It'll be chilled by the time we get to Glenshee at this rate. just going to close these vents because it's not warm. The guy that the first and the second owner of this bike, and I bought it. It was 2 years old, with 3,470 miles on nickel, I think it was. So that person's averaged 1,600 and something miles a year for the 2 years. It's what, 13. Yeah, not that much, which is good for me. That's what 13.4, 13.4. What was I saying? 3,004, 4,000, about 1,500 miles on it. Fucking June. Isn't this beautiful? No great views or anything like that, but the road itself is just lovely. I'm sure this I'm sure this road becomes what they call the whiskey trail. Woof. There you go, the whiskey, look at that. Ah. Duff Town. See, like Glenlivet, Glenfiddich, and there's distilleries all along the route, and how can you put it? Defunct distilleries, old ones that they've got the name and. But I don't think they produce any, but they kind of, maybe they do, but they've been amalgamated into bigger distilleries. Like I remember one year, like I forget what bike I was on, we come up this road and there was an articulated low loader, you know, one of these real low ones that, you know, kind of takes a big JCB on the back of it or something like that. It's one of them, and it was all of us behind him, the whole group. And boy, he wasn't taking any prisoners, I tell you. He was flying down that road. You took your life in your hands just trying to pass him, because he used the full width of the road. So I think me and the sat-nav have got the same idea now. Yes. So. See, they're not watching the road ahead. See the snow still up there. What is it? 22nd of May, something like that. Don't know if the GoPro will see that, it's a long way off. Oh, here we are. We're on the Isle of Bute in Rothesay and the Glenburn Hotel. I've just got into my room, literally just dumped everything here. And what time is it actually? It's, oh, check my watch, 6:15. So that's about, what, 8:30 till 6:15 we've been on the go. Good day, I think about 300 and something miles. Next is shower and beer. So I'll give you the obligatory room tour. So we'll go back up to the door here so you can see where we are. So I'll turn around, my stuff's already all over the bed. But I've got a choice of beds I can sleep in. Got the usual wardrobe, etc. I'll show you the view from my room. It's not the best view, it's not at the front of the hotel, but as you can see it'll do for me. It's very warm in here, even though the window's open. It's quite humid feeling, and a huge bathroom. It's almost like one of these things you see in the TV. And there we go, plenty of space, all for me for the next 2 nights. So that's it. I think the plan tomorrow is to head to we do a run where we go back up to the main road, and then we go across through Inverary down through into Gilphead, and then we run up from there up to Oban, and then do a loop back down from Oban through back into Inverary again, and then back to here. And we usually get a pizza or something like that up in Oban. It's a good run, cracking road, the one up to Oban. It's really, really good. And the first time me and Goddess has been on that road, so yeah, looking forward to it.